What's good, everybody? It's your boy 947 here, back with another freaking reaction video, everyone. Or maybe an SFM video. Now, let me just give y'all freaking one reason, okay? Now, first of all, I have just remember that shout out video I just made for whatchamacallit, 8 Squid. Well, Mr. Leo Laszlo has asked me to do another one. To one of Crash Mall's videos called The Fight for Sawmill. So, he has been begging me to do a reaction to Fight for the Sawmill. So, we're gonna see how this video is gonna be. So, in seeing that, let's get this started. So, subscribe to Crash Mall, and you can like this video, or you can comment below. And I know Leo has commented a lot. I really hope you ain't gotta ask me more about these stuff. No, okay, but seriously though, there's a bunch of stuff from Crash Mall, and I really want to see some. So I'm about to see this video called The Fight for Sawmill. This is just when you want to Leo. So, oh wow, so I was watching something, but anyway, you already know. Hit the like button. So, oh yeah, and I almost forgot, dude. We just hit to a whole nother level. I repeat, we just hit to a whole nother freaking level. To 280 subscribers, man. Oh my freaking god, dude. Oh shoot, this is crazy. Oh my god, this is crazy, dude. 280, that's a bunch of subscribers, man. Yo, dude, I would like to say thank you all, and I will appreciate all of you for giving me 280 subscribers, man. I really appreciate that. That's hitting my heart. But anyway, let's get this started with The Fight for Sawmill. And as been requested by Leo Laszlo, his channel will be in the link, and the video will be in the link, and yeah. But here we go. You already know the same old headphones. About to put it on. And let's do it. Alright. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh. Okay. Uh-oh. Woo! Okay. Okay, that's a nice intro. 3 months ago, BLU takes control of Watchtower, seeming against all odds. 1 month ago, Team 4 falls to red thanks to an engineer and his hulking pass. Okay. Today, Sawmill. Oh snap! I'm so ready for this, man. You already know I'm ready. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Oh snap. Oh! It's that spider girl from before. Alright. Okay. You know what time it is. There's some crazy stuff going on. Somebody told me in the comment section that I think that's a scout right there. From the Epic Scout, I think. Okay. Oh snap. Uh-oh. Oh shoot. That might be the Epic Scout. Oh! You know this dude Crash Mall makes that good hit though. He makes those. This dude's good right there. That dude right there, the Epic Scout is real good right there. Awesome. Alright. Oh! Oh! Right in the face. Oh! Ooh! Dang! Oh man! Did he kill the demo man? Oh, wait, the demo man's on his team. Okay. Oh! Oh shoot! Oh my god! That's the dude from the previous one. Oh no, not him again. That's the dude from before, the heavy to main engineer. Oh shoot. Ooh. Oh, shoot. Come on, Scott. You got this. Oh. Let's go. Ooh. Oh. He getting mad. Oh, shoot. What's going on? Oh, wow. He just got scratched. Uh-oh. I know what his plan is. I know what his plan is. Oh, shoot. I think he's gonna push him over there. I don't know. Uh-oh. Ooh! Nice one. Get him! Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Shoot him! Shoot! Yeah! Oh no! Not him again! It's the engineer! Oh, it's going down. It's going down! It's going down, boy! Oh! I like to see this! This music though. Oh shoot, that's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Oh! Yo, this is one heck of a battle. What? Wait a minute. Oh shoot. He's back. Oh snap. Ooh. Amazing. That's amazing. What? You're crazy. Oh! It was some Street Fighter type of stuff, huh? Oh! Oh! Making him bleed. Oh! Excuse the freak out of me. Hold up. Oh snap. This is awesome. This is why Crash Ball my bro right here. This is the one. This is the one. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh shoot. Okay. Oh snap. Oh! Starting on him. Oh god. Ain't gonna dodge the bullet. Oh snap. Don't tell me my homie dead. Don't tell me he killed them one more time. Oh shoot. Oh! He coming back. Oh snap. Yo, this is awesome, dude. This is awesome. Oh shoot. He might kill the sucker. Right? Like. Oh! Oh! Yo! This is intense! Ooh! What? Ooh! Yo, this about to be over! Ooh! Oh! Oh shoot! Oh my god! He killed a fucker! That's what I'm talking about, boy! That's what I'm talking about! He killed that sucker! That's what I'm talking about! That's what I'm talking. Oh! my god, dude! Oh god. Oh! Oh shoot! Wait a minute! Wait a minute! Oh my goodness! No! Can you believe he lost his power now? Was seriously gonna do that? Come on, please be alive, man. Please! Oh my god! Dude, this is some serious stuff right here, man. I ain't playing. This is crazy. Oh. Ah. Please don't be dead, bro. That's my dude. Okay. Okay. Oh, man. He's been dead. Oh no. It's still not over though. Oh shoot, his eye though. Hey, it's a slime. Okay. Yo, I'm not playing. This dude, Crash Mall, you would just always make the best videos. This is the best right here. Anyway. So the dude was just dead and all of a sudden been alive. I think he was been knocked out. Uh-oh. Oh shoot. Oh! Oh! Yo! Hold up! So that was the end of the... This song is nice! Yo! Y'all have to the bars in this. Listen. Just watch this freaking video. That was awesome. Let me get it. Oh man. That was so cool, bro. Oh man, dude. Oh my god, I had enough. I had a freaking enough. I had enough! And the song is fire too. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. Oh, you're welcome. Oh, wait. Oh shoot, wait a minute. Oh shoot, it's like Fights at Freddy's in that joint. Oh. Okay. Wait, is that the spy? Oh, snap! What? Yo, bro. Dude, I gotta tell y'all something right here, man. Alright. Check out Crash Mall, right? Go check out Crash Mall. That was crazy. The dude was alive. I didn't even know what to say. The dude was alive, and all of a sudden, he was dead, and all of a sudden, came up alive. Yo. Dude, go check out Crash Mall. I'm not playing. Guaranteed, 100%. Check this dude channel out. I'm giving that a 10 out of a freaking 10. That was awesome, dude. Oh my god. Bro. Yo. Dude, that was crazy. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and you're welcome, Leo, for doing this reaction video. Maybe we should do a collab. I don't know, or I don't know. But that was the end. Oh man, I'm gonna see that one more time to watch. I'm gonna see this one more time. It's like watching a movie, but awesomer. Oh shoot, bro. It's the man himself, Darnay47. I'll see you dudes in the Geometry Dash Meltdown video I might do, or maybe a Geometry Dash, I don't know. But peace out.